Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest not saving to camera roll. First of all, go ahead and go to settings, search for the app Pinterest, and then make sure you have given full access to photos and turned on camera. Next, you're going to save the pin again. If it did not save in the first, let's say you're going to save this, click on save and save it to whichever board you want to save it to. After that, go to your app store, search for Pinterest, and make sure your Pinterest app is updated to the latest version to rule out bug issues. Safety tip: only save images from trusted sources. Quick fix: screenshot the pin if saving fails, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.